And welcome to Grandad's Reviews and another 2-minute tips and tricks. On the X-T3 or X-T3 and other Fuji X cameras, you can actually put grid lines up on the rear screen to help composing. So I'll just have a quick look on how to set those up. So we're going to the menu and we go up to the wrench and then screen setup, and down we go onto page 2. You'll see framing guidelines, and in there I've got a choice of grid 9, grid 24 HD framing. So put it on grid 9. I think okay, come back out and no grids. There's one other thing you have to set. Go back in, into the wrench, screen setup, screen 2, display custom settings, and on the first page you'll see framing guidelines. So if you just tick that, come back out, and there we have the 9 grid for composing. So we can go in, go up to the wrench, screen setup, framing guidelines, 24 grid. That's our 24 grid. Go in again and we can put HD. So you just get the lines to show what the crop is on HD. So that's a quick look at getting guidelines on the rear screen and in the viewfinder on the Fuji X cameras. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. If you're only modified, hit that bell button. Until next time, see you later.